Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this game, and it's Harry Potter the Deathly Hallows Part 2. It says Xbox 360, PAL, so 12 WB games, EA, it's one of the games. There's a spine. In the back, join the Battle of Hogwarts, wield powerful magic, and engage in epic battles in your quest to destroy the Horcrux and Voldemort himself. Play as 8 characters, each with unique heroic missions. Battle fearsome enemies and defend Hogwarts. Yet 12 contains violence. It's by Bright Light AR and EA. Yes, pretty much the first Deathly Hallows. There's other stuff on there as well, so I get this booklet in the back. Customer supply to help you and things, warranty, Xbox Live, and there's some moves, all crap. Harry's final quest, playing the game. Yeah, there's a leaflet. The Sims 3 console version in all stores, that's obviously old. Harry Potter the Deathly Hallows Part 2 the video game, revealing Lord Voldemort. Yeah, in Deathly Hallows Part 1 it said about a Harry Potter. Yeah, there's the contents. Get the leaflet. Yeah, here's the disc. It says Harry Potter the Deathly Hallows Part 2 and 12 and Microsoft. EA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, and goodbye.